Welcome back to another edition of Canadian Auto. Today, we're going to go back to Speed Factor Racing to pick up our parts that finally came in. Gotta love the C6 Stingray Corvette platform. I don't know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean. You saw the car. That's my dream car. Enough said. So we're almost there. Just figured I'd show you that nice little car. You know, it's Winnipeg. We got so many nice cars. Speaking of which, not so nice. Undercover SUV. Oh, you know what? And this is actually a fairly nice colored Jeep too. I'm kind of digging that. Alright, so we'll catch you there. Alright guys, just turning into Speed Factor Racing, another little Winnipeg owned shop. Love what they got. They got some great stuff. This is their one location, their other location. They do a lot of the installs, a lot of the fabrication, everything that you buy here you can get installed on your vehicle at their other shop. So now we're gonna go in here, we're gonna I got asked some questions about some stuff I might be getting, may or may not be getting, and I'll see you guys rather in there or once we're done, let you know what's going on.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, you?
Not bad, what can I help you?
Those hella horns.
Yep.
The yellow and blue ones?
Yep.
I'll take a set of those.
Okay. These ones?
Yeah. Also, your
So when's the first name again?
Thank you.
Yeah, for sure. Have a great weekend.
You too.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yeah, have a good day. Not bad.
Ooh, that's a nice Evo. I like that. Alright guys, well, we finally got our horns. Went with the yellow and blue, might paint them. They're gonna go on the grill, but we're gonna take that off, clean it up a bit, make it look nice. So we'll show you how to do that. So now we'll see you guys at home. Not too often you see one of these mini trucks or street legal ATVs as the company calls it. Pretty cool. Right-hand drive. Oh, and not to mention, Winnipeg has a accordion bus. Concordia bus. Pretty cool if you ask me. Got those, I think, a couple years ago now. Pretty cool. Damn, look at that stance. Green light.